I want this lamp to automatically switch on at dusk and then switch after 3 hours. I have made a battery pack with lithium-ion batteries. Now I have connected the batteries to the solar charger. I notice that the output is activated. Each battery have 3500 milliamp hours or 3.5 amp hours. This number tells us something about the maximum amount of energy that can be stored in the battery. By multiplying with the voltage, I get the energy available. The load determines how long the battery charge will last. With a 40-watt load, the batteries will last less than 1 hour. With a 4-watt load, the batteries will last less than 10 hours. With my 11-watt lamp, the batteries will last more than 3 hours. The solar charger has got a number of modes that you can choose. Now I will simulate my solar panel. I use a 12-volt power supply. At dusk, a timer in the solar charger will start to count down 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the output is activated. The charger is programmed to switch off after 3 hours. At sunset, a timer in the solar charger will count down 60 seconds. If the output was activated, it will be deactivated.